Good morning, little ones. So, today we are going to learn protection against harmful insects. So, as you all know, that what are harmful insects and what are good insects. So, good insects are butterfly and honeybee and ladybug. But there are some bad insects which are harmful for us, like mosquitoes and housefly. Mosquitoes come at night and they bite you, no? Yes, so in this chapter there are so many things that we should follow. We should do to keep flies and mosquitoes away from us. Okay, so now let's get into the chapter. So the first picture in your chapter shows, what does it shows? That there should be no garbage at home. Okay, and if you are having old tires and muddy pots like this or containers, then it should not have water in it. When it rains, the water gets stored in this. Okay, there is water filled in this when it rains, so you should always clean them. There should be no stored water in your old tires, pots, containers which are there in your house. Okay, you drink coconut water and you throw it away. After that, water fills in it, and mosquitoes, what do mosquitoes do? Mosquitoes live in these waters. Okay, and they come at night and bite you. So you should always clean your surrounding. There should be no stored water anywhere outside your house or inside your house. Okay, now look what this uncle is doing. This uncle is cleaning the surface. Yes, you should keep your floor and surrounding and everything clean. Okay, when it is going to be clean, the house flies are not going to come. And the most important thing, before sleeping, whenever you go to bed to sleep, put your mosquito net. Okay, sleep inside a mosquito net so that mosquitoes do not enter and bite you. So mosquito net is the best protection against mosquitoes. Now, when you are sleeping, cover yourself. Okay, always cover yourself so that mosquitoes don't bite you. Now, two very important things. Okay, you should always keep your surrounding clean and tidy. Okay, you should never throw things here and there or garbage here and there. Look here, this auntie is cleaning the floor, so we should never ever keep the floor or the surrounding dirty. Okay, now this uncle is also cleaning the floor. So these are the things which we should do to keep the bad insects, the harmful insects away from us. Okay.